Hey everybody, it's Brenda, your Queen Bee of RVs, coming to you from the National RV Training Academy with part 3 of our series, Decoding RVNEs. So far we've tackled some of the strange terms associated with the electrical systems and holding tanks in the RV, so today let's pull the microscope way back and decode the names that the industry has given to the types of RVs. Just like any language on Earth, there's multiple slang terms that describe the exact same item, and the RV industry is no different. There are two types of RVs out there, towable and drivable. Towables can include pop-ups or folding trailers, travel trailers, and fifth wheels, while drivable are the motorized rigs, and they come in 3 classes, A, B, and C. The travel trailer, aka bumper pull, is an RV towed by a truck or an SUV. Although this trailer appears to be attached to the bumper of a tow vehicle, as the nickname implies, it's actually a hitch mounted to the frame of the truck. The travel trailer sizes range from small vintage and teardrops all the way up to the large-scale trailers that you see on almost every stretch of highway, and that's because it's the most popular RV sold in America today. The fifth wheel is also a type of towable, and this trailer extends beyond the bumper of the tow vehicle. It requires a special kind of hitch that is mounted within the truck bed of whatever is towing it. When you hear words like kingpin and gooseneck, these are types of hitches used in conjunction with towing a fifth wheel. Now, motorized RVs, sometimes referred to as motorhomes or motor coaches, are divided into those 3 classes A, B, and C. Motorized RVs do not require a separate vehicle to tow it because, well, it's motorized. These rigs have their own chassis and engine, which can be fueled by gas or diesel, and their prices are typically much higher. The Class A coaches are large scale and have a shape much like a bus. They can sometimes sleep up to 10 people and extend up to 45 feet in length. Because of their size, they're not exactly fuel efficient. However, they can deliver all the amenities from home on a grand scale. Class B, also known as camper vans, are the smaller of the 3 classes of motorized. They can maneuver and park in spaces much like a regular van, which makes them very popular for that reason. They are not as spacious on the inside, however, usually having some of the same features of the big rigs, like a small kitchen, bathroom, and a bed. The Class C camper is what I drive, and it's built on a regular truck chassis, which makes it feel a little like driving a moving truck. These are the ones that have that cab over the driver and passenger area that's typically a bunk bed. Even though it's the 3rd letter in this line of motorized rigs, it's actually the mid-size of all 3, and its cost and fuel efficiency lies in the middle as well. I learned all of this and more at the National RV Training Academy, where I became a certified RV inspector and registered technician, and you can too. Head over to NRVTA.com and click on programs to find out more.